What if I told you a person from the Bible could teach you about action and laser-like focus? You want to be a great leader? Then start here. Nehemiah wasn't a king, he wasn't a warrior, he was a servant with a big vision, and he rebuilt a broken nation. He had no budget, no army, no blueprint, just purpose, grit, and unshakable clarity. Here's a few lessons from Nehemiah. Lesson 1, vision must be bigger than your title. Nehemiah was a cupbearer, a servant in exile, yet he saw himself as a restorer of nations. He didn't wait for permission, he moved with purpose. Great leaders don't rise because of rank or title, they rise because of vision clarity. According to Dr. Benjamin Hardy, purpose-driven individuals are more resilient and adaptive under stress. Think of it this way. Your job title might say one thing, but if your vision is loud enough, people will follow your voice and not your resume. Here's lesson 2. Clarity is a superpower. Distraction is the enemy. Here's a fact. As Nehemiah built, enemies sent letters, threats, and false invitations to stop him. His response? I am doing a great work and I cannot come down to talk to you. Distraction kills momentum and weakens decision making. Cal Newport calls it attention residue. You lose power every time you shift focus. If you're building something great, every distraction is a trap door. Nehemiah stayed on the ladder, stayed in the zone, and that's what leadership is all about. If you can't say no, your vision isn't strong enough. Lesson 3. Emotional control is what separates builders from burnouts. If you don't think Nehemiah was under pressure, he had internal betrayal, external enemies, yet remained composed and strategic. Nehemiah faced sabotage, manipulation, and fatigue from his own people. Instead of reacting emotionally, he paused, recalibrated, and led with discernment. Emotional regulation is a core marker of resilient leaders. Dr. Susan David calls it emotional agility, the ability to feel everything but choose your response. Nehemiah wasn't numb, he was anchored. He didn't let his emotions steer the mission. He let the mission steer his emotions. Here's my takeaway for you. You don't have to feel fearless to lead powerfully. You just have to stay anchored. Here's my 4th and final lesson. Leadership is lonely, but purpose will keep you moving. Nehemiah spent many days walking the city at night alone, inspecting the ruins, wrestling with the weight of his responsibility. This is the aspect of leadership that no one talks about. According to psychologist Dr. Adam Grant, most visionaries are first misunderstood before they are followed. Think of it this way. Leaders walk the ruins before others see the city. Your vision will always come to you before it's believed by others. Nehemiah didn't need applause. He needed conviction. He didn't build for credit. He built for generations. And when the world told him to quit, he said, I am doing a great work and I will not come down. If you're building something that matters, stay on the wall. And if this hit home today, I want you to do something for me. Subscribe, like this video, and comment below which Nehemiah leadership lesson will you apply this week and share.